This Fender California debut Redondo is a slightly different animal in Fender's beginner lineup. It leans into a fuller, rounder body shape, Redondo, and Fender positions it as part of their California debut series with a 2-year warranty. The product details list spruce top construction with laminated backer sides, a walnut fingerboard, and Fender's usual attention to player comfort. Availability and pricing vary, but this model sits higher than the FA25 in general retail positioning. Price will depend on bundles and stock. If you want a more resonant, fuller acoustic body that still retains easy playability, this is the Fender to check out. What customers highlight most is tone and feel. Compared to the FA25, it tends to give a slightly beefier sound, and people like the build for the money. Downsides mirror the rest of the beginner market. Laminated body limits acoustic nuance versus a solid top guitar, and you may want a setup or a different string gauge for specific playing styles. Pros: fuller body shape, comfortable neck, Fender warranty, and bundled lessons sometimes included. Cons: not a boutique tone machine, and varnish finish can be hit or miss at this price. If I were filming, I'd show a quick strum comparison between this and a solid top Yamaha to demonstrate the tonal differences. That visual audio comparison always helps viewers decide. Of course, we share by links in description box.